Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment. So, let's what we will be expecting this week on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So, we will have to zoom it out. You will see that at first our trend was an uptrend move. This was the around the year 2022 to 2023, then 2024, 2025, and then 2026. Market was on a bullish move, right? Sales of higher high, that was an uptrend move. Now, if you take a look at what market is currently doing, our trend right now is now on a downtrend move. Remember, previously it was a bullish move. Right now, we are on a downtrend move. But we would want to see the current trend. What is the current trend? It is ranging right now. So, how is it ranging? Let's highlight some levels. There was a rejection here, one. There is also another rejection, and there's another rejection. So this will be taken to be our resistance level. While this bottom is a rejection, and now we'll be expecting the third rejection, which is our support level. So whatever you would want to be doing this week, you would want to be expecting the buy to it taps a level of our resistance level. So basically, this is actually for swing traders. This will be the opportunity for you to open for the buy and catch about 200 pips plus. Also have it in mind that market is likely to pull back to retest, which I don't think it will. But if in case it pulls back to retest this our support level, it will most likely going to bounce up. So our forecast for this week on New Zealand dollar JPY is to the upside.